In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Zoho CRM. If you've connected your Gmail account to Zoho CRM for email tracking or sending messages, but now you want to disconnect it, maybe for security reasons, switching accounts, or cleaning up old integrations, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. We'll move slowly and clearly through each part of the Zoho CRM settings so you won't miss anything. First, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the setup icon, and it's where all of your system-level settings live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup panel. When the setup page opens, you'll see a variety of sections for different types of configuration. What we're interested in is the communication side of things, so look for the area labeled Channels. Channels is where Zoho organizes the different ways you connect with your customers, like email, phone, or social media. Click on Channels to expand that section. Within the Channels area, you'll see several options, and one of them will be email. This is where Zoho CRM manages the email integrations you've set up, including Gmail. Click on Email to open the email-related settings. Next, you'll be taken to the Email Configuration section. This page might list different types of email setups, such as organization-wide email, individual user email settings, or connected mailboxes. Take a moment to look through the options and locate the email account or configuration that corresponds to your Gmail connection. Once you've found the Gmail connection under the email area, select it so you can manage its settings. Here you should see details about the integration, such as the connected address and the current status. This is where Zoho allows you to make changes or remove the link. To fully unlink Gmail from Zoho CRM, look for the option to deactivate or disconnect this email setup. It is often labeled Deactivate. Click Deactivate to turn off the Gmail integration. Zoho may ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed, reminding you that email syncing and related features will stop once you do. Confirm the action to complete the process. After deactivation, your Gmail account will no longer be connected to Zoho CRM. Emails will stop syncing, and Zoho will no longer use that Gmail account to send messages from within the CRM. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same email section under Channels and set up a new connection whenever you're ready.